how to deposit cash on Capital One. So here's a step-by-step guide. I'm going to show you all of the methods. You can deposit cash at a Capital One ATM. And here are the steps on how you can deposit cash at an ATM. You want to locate a Capital One ATM. Then you insert your debit card, select deposit, insert the cash, confirm the amount, and then complete the transaction. Your funds should be available immediately or within the next business day. Another method of how you can deposit cash is at a partner ATM. Capital One also partners with Allpoints ATM, and some of these ATMs allow cash deposits. You will locate an ATM, Allpoint ATM, and insert your debit card and follow the previous steps. You can also deposit at a CVS or Walgreens using Capital One's money services. Capital One partners with Green Dot allow cash deposits at participating retailers like CVS and Walgreens. And here are the steps that you can follow. You can pause the video and read through it. You can deposit via an external bank if you can't find a Capital One ATM. Deposit cash to an account at another bank. You can deposit your cash into a separate bank account that has local branches or ATMs that accept cash deposits. For example, Chase or Wells Fargo. You can transfer the funds to Capital One. Once the cash is in the external account, you can use the bank's app or website to transfer the funds electronically to your Capital One account. You can also do this via wire transfer, which is the last option, via a local bank. You can deposit cash at a local bank and then request a wire transfer to your Capital One account. This method may include fees, so check with both banks before proceeding. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next.